Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate to Shopify Admin with two-factor verification. Quick tutorial. To authenticate to Shopify Admin using two-factor verification, first, navigate to the Shopify login page. Enter your email address and password, then click the login button. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you will see a prompt requesting a verification code. Open your Authentication app on your mobile device. This could be Google Authenticator, Authy, or any other compatible app. Locate your Shopify account in the list of entries. Your app will display a 6-digit code specific to your Shopify account. Enter this code into the verification field on the Shopify login page. If you do not have access to the Authentication app, you can choose to receive a code via SMS. To do this, select the option to receive the code through your registered phone number. Check your phone for the SMS message containing the verification code. Input the received code into the verification box on the Shopify login page. After entering the code, click the Verify button. If the code is entered correctly, you will gain access to your Shopify Admin dashboard. Make sure to keep your Authentication app or phone nearby for future logins. If you face any issues, follow the prompts to troubleshoot the authentication process. Remember to securely store backup codes provided during the two-factor setup for emergencies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.